Welcome to Sweet Springs. This fourplex is a great investment opportunity and in a great community. The location is right off I-70. This is a newly built investment opportunity. This stunning brick fourplex was built in 2022, maintenance-free exterior crafted entirely of brick, ensuring durability and timeless appeal. Each unit features 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms, offering ample living spaces for tenants. With the convenience of washer and dryer hookups in every unit, tenants can enjoy the ease of laundry right at home. The kitchens are equipped with sleek stainless steel appliances, adding a touch of sophistication to the space. Don't miss out on this turnkey investment property, perfect for generating steady rental income while requiring minimal upkeep. All units are occupied and are cash-flowing rentals. The location is right off I-70. Schedule your viewing today and seize this opportunity to own a prime piece of real estate.